My dear friend, today I ask you to listen carefully, because what I am about to tell you can change your life forever. Life does not wait. Life does not pause for your fears, your doubts, or your comfort. Every second that passes is a second you will never get back. And yet, how many of us waste our lives worrying about things we cannot control, regretting the past, and doubting what we are capable of? You are stronger than you think. You have more potential than you have ever imagined. And yet, so many of us hold ourselves back. We fear failure, we fear judgment, we fear the unknown. Let me tell you something, fear is an illusion. Fear is a shadow that disappears the moment you step forward. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward despite it. Every person you admire, every legend, every hero felt fear, but they acted anyway. They failed, they stumbled, they were doubted, but they never quit. And that is why they became great. Success is not handed to anyone. No one will serve it to you on a silver plate. It is not luck, it is not coincidence. It is the result of relentless effort, of waking up each day with determination, with passion, with a fire that refuses to die. When you fail, and you will fail, do not see it as the end. See it as a lesson, see it as a guide. Every failure teaches something that success never can. Every obstacle, every struggle, every moment of pain is shaping you into the person you are meant to become. Some will laugh at you, some will doubt you, some will even try to stop you. Let their disbelief fuel your fire. Let their negativity ignite your determination. You are not here to live someone else's life. You are here to build your own. Every decision you make today affects the life you will live tomorrow. So I ask you now, what will you do today? Will you stay in comfort, hoping change will come to you? Or will you rise, act, and chase it with every fiber of your being? Life is hard, life is unfair. Life will challenge you, it will knock you down. It will hurt, but the pain you feel now, the struggle you face today, is shaping the strength you will feel tomorrow. Every challenge is a teacher. Every disappointment is a lesson. Every setback is a stepping stone. Do not run from pain, embrace it. Learn from it, use it to grow. Dreams are not given, they are earned. Success is not luck, it is built. Brick by brick through sweat, through sacrifice, through relentless effort. And the strongest bricks are forged in the fires of adversity. You must not be afraid to stand alone. You must not be afraid to be different. If everyone tells you it is impossible, that is your sign to fight harder. If the world doubts you, that is your signal to prove them wrong. Diamonds are formed under pressure. You, my friend, can be a diamond. Shine in the darkness. Shine when no one is watching. Shine when everyone else has given up. This is your moment right now. This very second is your opportunity to decide who you will become. Make a promise to yourself that you will never quit, that you will never settle, that you will rise. No matter how many times you fall, your mind may doubt you, your body may try to quit, the world may try to pull you down, but your heart, your spirit, and your determination will lift you higher than you ever imagined. Do not wait for permission. Do not wait for luck. Do not wait for someone to tell you it is possible. It is possible because you make it possible. You are the architect of your own destiny. Every great story, every hero, every legend started with a single decision. The decision to stand. The decision to act. The decision to fight. And today, this very moment is your chance. Rise, speak, fight, conquer. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man, poor and unknown, who wanted to change the world. Everyone laughed at him. People said he would fail. He failed over and over, but each time, he rose, he learned, he adapted. He tried again. Eventually, he succeeded beyond imagination. That young man's secret, he refused to quit. That could be you. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Look at the person you want to become. How will you get there? By wishing. By hoping? No, by working, by acting. By refusing to give up. Life will test you. Life will knock you down. It will try to break you. It will make you feel weak, small, powerless, but every time you stand back up, every time you push forward despite exhaustion, despite pain, despite fear, you grow stronger. Stand tall, face your challenges with courage. Face your fears with determination. Face the world with a heart that refuses to be defeated. Greatness is not about never failing. Greatness is about rising after every fall. Persistence, endurance, refusing to quit when the easy path is to give up. That is greatness. Today, make a decision. No more excuses. No more delays, no more doubts. You are capable, you are unstoppable. You are destined for greatness. Repeat it to yourself every morning, every night, every second. Your life is yours. Your dreams are yours. Your destiny is yours. Go take it, build it, protect it. And never, ever let anyone tell you that you cannot. The world is not waiting. The world does not pause. The world challenges you, tests you, and asks only one thing. How badly do you want it? How many times will you rise before you succeed? Stand up, my friend. Take a deep breath. Feel your strength. Feel your potential. Feel the power inside you waiting to be unleashed. Let me share another story. A woman faced endless rejections. She was told she wasn't good enough, smart enough, capable enough. Every door closed in her face. And yet she persisted. She worked harder than anyone else. She studied, she prepared, she refused to quit. Today she is a leader, a role model, a living example of what persistence can achieve. That woman could be anyone, she could be you. Every small effort you make today compounds into massive results tomorrow. Every choice matters, every action counts. The little things you do, the discipline you show, the courage you muster when no one is watching, that is what builds legends. Remember, the strongest oak grows from the hardest soil. The brightest star shines in the darkest sky. The fiercest warrior is forged in the deepest battles. And that warrior, that star, that oak, that is you. Do not fear struggle. Do not fear failure. Do not fear pain. Embrace them. Learn from them. Use them to fuel your fire. Let them make you unstoppable. Look around you. Every invention, every empire, every story of triumph began with someone who refused to quit. That someone could be you. You have a choice. Be average. Blend in, give excuses, or rise. Fight, conquer. The choice is yours. Stand up, speak, act, fight. Let the world see your greatness. Take risks, fail, learn, rise. Repeat, persist, endure, and one day, when they ask, how did you do it? You will smile and say, I never gave up. Remember, the world is yours. Your life is yours. Your dreams are yours. Go take them, go chase them. Go rise above all doubts, fears, and limitations. You are unstoppable, unbeatable, and destined for greatness. The time is now. The choice is yours. The world is watching. Rise, fight, conquer, and leave your legacy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, my dear friends. Goodbye.